APL class as our lesson ways of traveling going on. First of all, we will see the learning objectives of today's session. To know about different vehicles, person who drives it and other staff member on that vehicle. Let's see children the textual page. Here question is given as in my yesterday's session I have shown you a different slides of different vehicles. I have taught you about the land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay. Now here question is, you have seen some pictures of different vehicles on the interactive board. Now fill in the given table. Okay. As I have shown you different pictures of vehicles in my yesterday's session, now here some vehicles is given. See children here, what is this children? Yes, this is the cruise. Okay. Then here what you have to write? The person who drives it. Okay. And here other staff on that vehicle. First of all you recognize, identify which vehicle is this, then the person who drives it, then the staff on that vehicle. Okay, this is the crew. Okay, the person who drives it, the answer will be the captain. Captain drives the cruise. The other staff member, children, as I told you, cruise having the all facilities because it takes a month to cover the distance or go from one place to another place. Okay. Now for that all facilities are available, like here you can write the child care staff, restaurant staff, okay, engineers. Okay, engineer will see what direction the cruise should go. Okay, there is some instrument that shows that helps the navigator to determine and stay on course, means where the cruise has to go. Okay, on which way cruise has to go. Then what you have to write here? Restaurant staff, childcare staff, engineers, then musicians. You can write here. And here what will come? I will write here captain. Captain. Now children, next question. Now see the next picture. What is this? Identify this picture. What is this children? This is the train. Okay. This is the train. Then person who drives it. Engine driver. Okay. Here what will come? Engine driver. Engine driver. Write down here engine driver. Then next column. Engine driver. Now here what will come? Here the other staff member. As in our previous lesson we have learned about ticket collector. Then pantry. I will show you what is pantry. Pantry car. See here children, pantry car. Rasoi bhandar yan means here the food supply or serve to the passengers. See here, this is the pantry car. Okay. And the railway include the charges of this in the ticket. On railway, again guard is also there, which shows the green flag and red flag. Green flag means ready to go and red flag means there is immediate stop. Okay. Now next is the bus. Okay. The person who drives it, driver. Write down here driver. Then other staff member, you can write here conductor, which collect or which gives the ticket to you. Then again co-driver. which who assist the driver where to stop, where to go, all indication the co-driver gives. Then next one is the aeroplane. Okay, the person who drives it called pilot. The person who drives it called pilot, and the other staff on the vehicle is co-pilot and air hostess. Co-pilot assists the pilot while taking off and landing the plane. You can see here pilot and co-pilot. An air hostess review emergency and safety procedure prior to takeoff, which includes demonstrating the use of any equipment. They also fill passengers' requests like serve the food and beverages and tend to sick passengers if needed, and they welcome us. The vehicles which we use in the current world like train, car, plane, cruise, bus, all this. But in ancient time, people used this bullock cart, horse cart to travel or to transport the goods. But still this transportation used in some of the rural areas where modern vehicles are too expensive or the infrastructure required for this modern vehicle or the current vehicles not available in the villages. In those places or in these places, people use this mode of transportation for traveling and transportation. The person who drives the bullock cart called bullocky, and the person who drives the horse cart is called coachman. Read the situation given below. Write the name of the vehicles you will choose for traveling in this situation. Here some situations are given, children. Okay, what you have to read the situation and you have to write the answers. Okay, you are going to the market with your mother. Which vehicle would you like or would you use and why? Okay, if you ask children to me, mostly I used to go to market scooty and car. Sometime if car is not available, I use auto rickshaw. Then when I was at in Hyderabad, that time I was using the city bus. You have to write all these things here. Okay. Then Sheena's uncle got transferred to another city. How would they shift their household things to that city? Okay, children. See, children, for transportation, truck we use to transport the household things. Trucks use, but there are some companies like movers and packers. They have their own vehicle to transfer the goods, and they provide a very good facilities or very good services, like they transfer the good house item without no damage, one time delivery of goods, okay, and proper packaging of the goods. Then in metro cities, most of the people use this service. And if you are transferring the goods for a long distance, then in train also there is a luggage compartment. We can use that facility also. Okay. Then next question. 35 children go to school with you from your apartment. Which vehicle will you use to reach school together? Okay. Children, yes, obviously you use the school bus. Here the answer will come school bus. Okay, if the students will less or the children will less, then you can use the van. But here 35 children, then it come here school bus. Then children, think about a place you want to visit. Think and write what vehicles can help you to reach that place. Okay, you have to write here your answer, children. Okay, if you ask me, then what I will write here, once I visited to Manali. How we go there? First, we took a train from Nanded to go to Delhi. Okay, the Sachkhand train we took. Then from that we go to Delhi, and from Delhi we hire one car to go to Manali. Okay, maybe you have experienced something like me, but you have to write here a place you want to visit and think and write what vehicle can help to reach that place. You can take your parents' help also. Okay, then children, I have understood the concept of vehicles, person who drives it and other staff member on that vehicle. Okay children, we will meet in our next session. Till that time, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you children.